I don't know if you guys know this, but we've got a fantastic tool that can tell you the profits that you're making per chart that you're trading. So what you need to do is you can just right click in the symbols section and you can click on symbols. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. And then you can just click on the Forex Exotics and then double click USDZAR so that the folder, the square with the dollar sign, turns yellow. If it doesn't turn yellow after you've double clicked it, then just click on the show button and it should go yellow. And then you can click on the close button. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. And then here you can see you've got your USDZAR. So you can right click and you can say chart window. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now here's the EA. It's called check profits by EA comment date timer. So you can double click it or you can just drag it onto the chart to open the input section, and then you can start like playing with the inputs here. So here we're going to put in the date range. So I'm going to change it to today's date so that we can get to the correct year, because it starts off in 1970, and then you can go back in time. So let's say 2 months, we'll go back to the 1st of July, and then here on the bottom one you want the end date, and then you click on today's date. So please pause the video. Please go and sort out your dates now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now over here under comments, you can either choose the EA via comment. So with us, it is the rule 2 is the comment if you want to do it by comment. But we've got various different options for you. You can do it by comment, magic number, pair, comment and magic number. So I'm just going to do it by the magic number. Okay, so I'm going to leave this blank because it's not necessary to have anything in there, and then I'm going to do it via magic number 8. So there's one chart on this here that is trading with magic number 7 and 8. It's and we want to see what the profit is using that magic number. And the pair, I don't know if I have to put in the pair there. If you've got different EAs running with the same magic number, let's say 7 and 8, then you need to put in the pair. So in this case, I'll just put in the pair, and it's XAUUSD, and we're doing it by magic number, and then you can click on OK. So please pause the video. Please go and do those steps now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. So then once you click on the OK button, you'll see in the top here, it says your total profits for magic number 8 is 440 US cents, which is $4.40, which is amazing. Now, if you want to change it, you can just click on the smiley face, and then we'll change this to magic number 7. And then you click on OK, and then you can see exactly what magic number 7 has made, and this magic number has made $3.34. So this is a fantastic EA to check the profits, to check which strategy is creating the profits, so that you now know how to basically choose a strategy and maximize your profits according to your equity or your risk. You know that I'ma do it right.